Smith, Sunstone Metal Products with our hybrid grill, 30-inch. Just got installed in our brand new outdoor kitchen in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So we're at our customer's house and want to show you how to load it. Drawer. And here you have your racks to load your charcoal or wood. Underneath is your ashtray. And it is louvered on the front. There you go. Allow your oxygen control, and then you can raise it up and down. Okay, now we've got our basket full of briquettes. Bring it down. Put it on top of our burners. Push in, you hear the spark. Hold, turn the gas to turn on. Gas is ignited, let go, and you can turn it to the right. There you go. Time to get cooking.